Hey Glam Dolls, I'm so excited to share with you all my luxury scent box fall perfume picks for the season. It arrived in this box right here. But if you Glam Dolls are not familiar with who Luxury Scent Box is, you really need to get from underneath that rock. Luxury Scent Box is a monthly subscription perfume service which gives you access to hundreds and hundreds of different authentic perfumes in travel size bottles that you don't have to break your bank for their full size version, okay? Authentic perfumes, and I'm here today to share with you the fall edition that I picked out. So let's get this video started. But first, I want to show you, Glam Dolls, the Luxury Scent Box website. On here, it shows you what you will receive as you become a member. You're going to get your travel size bottle, which is a month's supply, and there's no contracts, there's no commitment. This is all month to month, and you can cancel this service at any time without penalty. Also, once you become a member, you're going to choose your scent, create your profile, choose a perfume fragrance of your choice, and you'll get it every single month. Now, if you want to get more than one perfume like what I have right here, you can get more than one at a time. It's just that an additional fee would apply if you want more than one. But I'm so excited because today, not only did I get my luxury scent box picks, I got a few for the hubs. He don't know yet. So the first two I want to share with you are the men version, and that's because they come in the black box, and then I'm going to share with you my picks for the season. So it's going to come in the box that looks like this right here. It also comes with a carrying case that says luxury scent box on it. Comes with the carrying case, and when you get it out of its packaging, this is what it's looking like. Oh, he's going to really like this. It's gold and black. The black is a matte color, and this is a gold metallic. And to open it, you just twist and it rises. Twist and it rises. How convenient is that? So this fragrance I got him is by Hugo Boss, and it's called Boss the Scent. And it smells incredible. Yeah, he's going to like this. Let me see. This smells incredible. Now, although I got him two of them, which I'm going to show you the second one in just a moment. Let me get it out. He got the black on black case for this one. Now, though he got two of them, if he wants to, they are interchangeable, meaning you just twist, it comes open, twist, it comes open, and he can easily swap them out. So that's another thing that I love about Luxury Scent Box. You can order an additional colored case of your liking, or you can keep the one case and just order you the bottle. So the second one I got him is by Versace, and this one is called Dylan Blue. And oh my gosh, yeah. Let me spray this one too real quick. Let me get it. Yeah, he's gonna wear this one tonight. I'm not playing, but yep, it comes like that right there. So enough about him and his fabulous picks that I picked out. I'm gonna let him fill up his calendar so he can, select the rest of the scents that he wants for the rest of the year. But let's get into the ones that I scored for myself. So here's my packaging. Get it out, and look, I got a gold case. Just like him, we both got gold cases, which is going to be weird, so I'm gonna have to make sure we keep ours separate. But again, I twist and it comes out. I can take it out very easily. This first one I got is by Marc Jacobs and called Daisy Dream. And oh yes, Daisy. Ooh, Daisy Dream smells, yeah, just like a dream. Let me spray it in here. And oh, if you are an official Glam Doll to the channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed Glam Doll, you know my obsession when it comes to smell goods, okay? And to say I'm not having to break my bank for the full size bottle version, this is a win-win. This is the second one, and like him again, I got a black on black case just like him, so we're gonna really have to keep ours separate. So twist and it opens, And okay, I remember this one. So being by the fall was coming, and especially October is coming, and I was thinking, you know, Halloween. I seen on a website they had this one called Halloween Blue Drop by Halloween. Now I never heard of that brand before, and it's made from Spain. It's a Spain fragrance, and this was my first time ever hearing of a designer or something called Halloween. So we're gonna give this a pump and see. This is what it's smelling like. Not bad. Oh, I am not mad at this pick. Once again, this one is called Halloween Blue Drop by Halloween, and oh, this is incredible. This is incredible. So the last one that I have to share with you all, get out the packaging. I hope it's a different color case. And again, I got a gold and black case. So yeah, we really gonna have to be mindful to each other fragrances. So gold and black case. And the second one I got is by Halloween again, and this one is called Halloween Shot. This is Halloween Shot, and let me spray that. See what it smells like. I don't know who Halloween is, but I am seriously impressed. So much so that, yeah, I'm gonna wear this one today. So on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video. Yes, because that smells good. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Oh, that smells